of Egyptian Eve collection, and we're back with another video. Today's video, guys, we're making our body butter. I'm doing it down here because it's easy and I have more control. I tried something new with my body butter that I really looked up because I was tired of why it's always liquidy. When I whip it once, it is melted, and they told me just to whip it when it's little of this really give it more of a Oreo cookie effect. Because yesterday y'all see, it's giving that real Oreo, but I need more of the white. So instead of me piping like that, I really want to try these piping tips, but it always don't go well when I try them. I'm scared I might not have much. Because I already ordered another shea butter bag. It says it has been shipped. It says it's on its way. So it's coming out on the side. Y'all are witnessing tragedy with me. Y'all are witnessing it. So luckily, oh my God. you can't even see your chocolate effect working. I believe it's a hole in there, so I'll be back, y'all. Alright, we're back, y'all. So I decided to do it how I normally do it. It's just no tips at all. Tips don't work for me. And they're coming out so pretty. Like, they're coming out like Oreo cookies. But it's just when I did the proportion size of it, I didn't think I would have enough to make a lot. So restocking these, what I know is gonna sell out, because I know I'm gonna be a beast of promoting. When these sell out, that's it. That's it. They sell out, they sell out. These are Valentine's limited edition. And yeah. Got three more to fill up. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doing 8. Let's see. As long as I hit the target of 5, I'll be fine after that. Because I'm not trying to have too much inventory out. Restock, yes. Restock, I can sit here and we'll go and melt them and do all that. I really like how I whipped it. I whipped it while it was still liquidy, and now it's just looking so good. Like, they actually look like whipped. See? I'm sorry we're doing it on the floor, you guys. At first I was like, oh, I need to cut my camera on and film me whipping. But then I got comfortable on the floor and I said, yeah, I think we're gonna make 7. Ooh. I like how I did it at first. Okay, I'm gonna leave that right there. I like how I did the little thing at the top. Oh. Look, you guys. So cute. Photos is gonna be cute. It's going to be cute. I could tell y'all that already. We just gonna squeeze all of that out. Squeeze all of that out. Okay. And my job has piping bags, so I'm going to pick up some piping bags. And then when I get my inventory sheet out, I'm going to gotta learn how to proportion my body butters out. So it's like I'm making a good quarter. I'm still working on that. But as far as this, I hit my portion size how I normally would do it. Y'all hear that steady? Let y'all hear that steady. Can we get I'm gonna see. Let's see. Get the last bit in here. Get the last bit of white in here. Let's see. Cause this is the last bit of white. And we have 8, y'all. We have number 8. Knowing me, y'all, I'm gonna have a sample out. I'm gonna have a little sample. Have a little sample. Alright, y'all. This the end. This it. This is it. This is very, very it. The sweet collection of cookie and cream. I completed the cookie and cream collection. Next is gonna be our strawberry and white cake. I already have the body oils for that. It's gonna be more droppers for that, so I can have more of them. And then we're gonna move into toffee coffee, and then I'm gonna be done with the whole sweet collection. So if y'all want more videos like this, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And bye.